It's Sum time! What if mountains started walking?
Ha ha! Mountains can never walk!
Huh? Oh, Sum. Firstly, if mountains started walking, when the biggest mountains on Earth start walking, entire cities might start shaking. Secondly, if mountains started walking, people who live on mountains may wake up in a completely different place. Thirdly, if mountains started walking, ice-clad mountains may bring snowfall wherever they go. Fourthly, if mountains started walking, mountains may move whenever they wish. Tourists may be in for a rude shock. Fifthly, if mountains started walking, rivers may change their course. Cities might suddenly get flooded. Lastly, if mountains started walking, mountain climbers will find it extremely difficult to hold on.
To buy Sum merchandise, visit umsum.com.